how to delete a workflow in n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete a particular workflow in n8n. So first, simply launch your n8n instance and click onto this overview option. Then go to workflows and choose that particular workflow that you wish to delete. So for example, I wish to delete this particular workflow. So what I'm going to do is simply click onto these three options and then click on archive. The moment I click archive, I have this notification that says delete it permanently. I can click onto this and it says delete workflow. Are you sure you want to delete it permanently? If you wish to delete it permanently, click onto this yes delete button and now you can see that the workflow has been successfully permanently deleted. So that was all for this particular tutorial. If this tutorial helped you, do make sure to give it a like and also do let us know in the comments if you are stuck anywhere or if there are any suggestions for us to implement in the upcoming videos. Thanks and have a nice day.